The word Nikkei means the mixture from Japanese food and Peruvian food.
I know, it's very interesting, the whole range of things that are not things that we would think go all together.
But they go together.
And then we can just cut this, but I only want to go as far as here, okay? And I just want to cut it, just snip it and cut it in half and go to here.
I have two questions. When you did it the first time where you split it with the knife, did you split it through the belly, like the underside? And you just pushed it all the way through?
Right, it's easier, all the way through.
And
You'll go crazy if you try to split it from the shell side. Don't do that. You want to split it from the belly side.
Scrape a little bit to make sure the heat is out, and don't put the lid back on. You know, I love it when the rice is a little bit burned, to be honest. Just a little tiny. So that means your rice is hot. Your rice is hot and nice.
What side of the grater do you want people to use?
Jen, I am glad you asked, because I see very often people using the wrong. You see this big one, the big flaky parts? No, please no. You see the medium one? Please no. The little one, the finest. We like our Parmesan to be in little flakes.
People, man, I'm telling you, spend hours on this stuff trying to perfect the taste that they want. This is gumbo. I don't care if you got $1,000 shrimp over there. That means nothing to us. This is what we look at.